Hello everyone, welcome back to LC Fitness. Hope you guys are safe. You guys are enjoying your quarantine time. So guys, today we are going to talk about slimming process, the process of how you can tone your body up. So people have a very wrong perspective for this process. So for example, if a person wants a flat stomach, he'll start training his abs every day. Or if a person wants toned legs, they'll start working legs workout every day. They'll start doing legs workout every day. This is not the right way of looking at process. This will lead you nowhere. There are two major disadvantages of this perspective. First one is, so if you're training your abs, you're doing the same movement every day. You're making your muscles habitual, so your muscles will stop showing you results. And once you hit that plateau, it will be very difficult for you to break it. And second is, you're going to the gym every day, you're giving your time and your energy to the gym. So if you're not getting results, you'll end up demotivating yourself and you will leave your workout. Understand that training abs muscle every day, doing core workout every day will increase the muscle mass of your core muscles. But you will only be able to see your muscles once you drop your fat percentage down. Like your fat percentage should be below 15%. It is not that an athlete has an extra muscle mass in his body or you have a lesser muscle mass in your body. It is just that an athlete has a very lower body fat percentage and you have a very higher body fat percentage, because of which you are not able to see your muscles. Now the question is, how can you bring your fat percentage down? The answer is very simple, guys. I've explained it in my previous videos also, that if you want to bring your fat percentage down, you just need to cut your carbohydrates down. You can go for a high protein diet, you can go for carb cycling, you can go for a low carb diet, you can go for a keto diet, you can do anything. These all will bring your fat percentage down. And if you do a good amount of weight training or any sort of training that will bring your metabolism up, it will be like give you the best results that you want. So if you want quick results, focus more on your diet, do a good workout that contains complex movement training that can boost your metabolism up. That's all, you don't need to do anything else. So I hope you guys have understood what I was trying to explain. Share this video with all those people, those who are struggling with their fat percentage, body fat percentage. And please do like and comment if you like this video, and please do comment if you have any kind of doubt related to this video. Thank you.